What's something people don't know about the telecommunications system that connects our calls and messages? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Similarly, in the world of telecommunications, we have a system that connects different networks and facilitates the seamless exchange of information. SS7, or Signaling System Number 7, acts as the traffic management system for telecommunications. It directs calls and messages to their intended destinations, much like how traffic lights and signs guide vehicles on the road. This system is the backbone of our global communication network. SS7 handles crucial functions like call routing, caller ID display, and SMS transmission. These functions ensure that when you make a call, send a text, or receive a notification, everything works smoothly and reliably. It's a system that most people are unaware of, yet it plays a vital role in our daily lives. However, this critical infrastructure was built on the assumption of trust between network operators. When SS7 was developed in the 1970s, the telecommunications landscape was very different. The designers did not anticipate the modern threats we face today. As a result, SS7 lacks basic security measures like encryption and authentication. This makes it susceptible to interception and manipulation by malicious actors. Hackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to eavesdrop on calls, intercept messages, and even impersonate users. Just as a traffic light malfunction can cause chaos on the roads, vulnerabilities in SS7 can disrupt the flow of information and compromise the privacy of mobile users. The consequences can be severe, ranging from personal data breaches to large-scale disruptions in communication services. It's a stark reminder of the importance of updating and securing our legacy systems to protect against modern threats. The lack of robust security in SS7 has created a playground for hackers. By gaining access to the SS7 network, attackers can exploit its vulnerabilities to intercept communications, track user locations, and even impersonate legitimate users. One common method of attack involves intercepting SMS messages, which are often used for two-factor authentication, or 2FA. By intercepting these messages, hackers can bypass security measures and gain unauthorized access to online accounts, bank details, and other sensitive information. The consequences of SS7 attacks are far-reaching and impactful. Hackers have exploited these vulnerabilities to eavesdrop on conversations, track the movements of individuals, and steal sensitive information, including financial data and personal messages. One high-profile case involved the interception of 2FA codes sent via SMS, allowing hackers to drain bank accounts. In another incident, SS7 flaws were used to track the location of a journalist, highlighting the potential for surveillance and harassment. Section 5. The anatomy of an SS7 attack, a step-by-step breakdown. To understand the gravity of SS7 attacks, let's break down a typical attack scenario. First, the attacker gains access to the SS7 network, often by exploiting vulnerabilities in poorly secured telecom providers. Once inside, the attacker can send specific SS7 commands to target a victim's phone number. These commands allow the attacker to intercept calls and messages, track the victim's location, and even impersonate the victim's phone number to make unauthorized calls or send spoofed messages. Section 6. The global impact, espionage, surveillance, and data breaches. The vulnerabilities in SS7 have global implications, attracting the attention of intelligence agencies, cybercriminals, and malicious actors worldwide. Governments have reportedly exploited SS7 for espionage purposes, intercepting communications of political opponents and foreign dignitaries. Cybercriminals have also capitalized on SS7 weaknesses, using intercepted data for financial gain, identity theft, and extortion. The widespread use of SS7 across the globe makes it a lucrative target, as a single breach can potentially compromise millions of users. Section 7. Detection and prevention, safeguarding mobile networks against SS7 exploits. Protecting against SS7 attacks requires a multifaceted approach, involving both telecom providers and individual users. Telecom companies need to implement robust security measures, including access controls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems. Users can also take steps to mitigate their risk, such as being wary of suspicious SMS messages, using strong and unique passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication methods that don't rely solely on SMS. Section 8. The future of SS7. Security towards a more secure mobile landscape. The telecommunications industry is gradually moving towards more secure alternatives to SS7, such as Diameter. Diameter is a protocol that offers enhanced security features and is designed to handle the increased demands of modern telecommunications. It provides better encryption and more robust authentication mechanisms, making it a more secure choice for the future. Another significant advancement is Voice over LTE, or VoLTE. VoLTE not only improves call quality but also incorporates advanced security measures. This technology ensures that voice communications are encrypted and authenticated, reducing the risk of interception and fraud. These newer protocols incorporate modern security features like encryption. Encryption is essential in protecting data as it travels across networks, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and secure from unauthorized access. Additionally, mutual authentication is a key feature of these protocols. Mutual authentication ensures that both the sender and receiver of information are verified, adding an extra layer of security. This makes them more resistant to SS7-like attacks, which have been a significant concern in the past. However, the transition to these newer protocols is a gradual process. Upgrading the entire telecommunications infrastructure to support these advanced protocols requires time, resources, and careful planning. It involves replacing old equipment, updating software, and ensuring compatibility with existing systems. As a result, SS7 is likely to remain in use for the foreseeable future. Many networks still rely on SS7 for their core operations, and completely phasing it out will take years. During this transition period, it is crucial to maintain and secure the existing SS7 infrastructure. Therefore, it is crucial to address the existing vulnerabilities in SS7. Cybersecurity professionals must continuously monitor and patch any weaknesses in the SS7 network to prevent potential breaches and attacks, while simultaneously adopting more secure technologies. This dual approach ensures that as we move towards a more secure mobile landscape, we do not leave any gaps that could be exploited by malicious actors. By integrating new technologies with old systems, we can create a robust and secure telecommunications environment for the future. Section 9. Conclusion. The urgency of addressing SS7 vulnerabilities. The vulnerabilities in SS7 highlight the critical need for robust security measures in our increasingly interconnected world. As we rely more and more on mobile communication, it is essential to address the weaknesses in legacy systems like SS7 while embracing more secure technologies. By raising awareness, implementing robust security measures, and fostering collaboration between stakeholders, we can work towards a more secure mobile landscape where privacy is protected and communication remains trustworthy. SS7 attacks are a stark reminder that even the most seemingly invisible systems can be exploited, and the consequences can be far-reaching. However, we are not powerless in the face of these challenges. By understanding the risks, adopting practical security measures, and advocating for stronger industry standards, we can reclaim our digital privacy and navigate the digital landscape with greater confidence. Let us embrace the responsibility that comes with our connected lives and work together to create a safer, more secure mobile future for all.